Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. On this episode, we're going to be doing a review / install of cat whiskers, door seals, whatever you want to call them, from the brand Top Cat Whisker. So, as you guys know, not a lot of people make a lot of parts for the Aspen Volare platform. This is one of them that I have not gotten a chance to experience yet, so I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. So, let's get into it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards your grave.
What do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah! Now we have our 1980 Plymouth Volare Duster model, which is, all the doors are the same from 1976 through 1980. We went ahead did a little bit of pre-planning. Basically, to get started on doing this project, you need to remove your door panel first, which starts basically with the armrest area, which is these fun-filled guys. Phillips screw there, Phillips screw there. Those guys fall right off. Then you can worm them around the door handle. But so that's got to come off, and then your door panel, you are going to have to pull your door handle off. 3/8 bolt gets that off, and then that's all just your standard door card retainer clips. So those come off. To expose the actual door seal itself, you are going to have to pull the glass, because the glass does come up to almost that top trim. So that's 3 bolts. Gets that guy out of there, and very carefully pull your glass out. It's preferred, you have to roll it up just a little bit to get to this access hole, and then this one you have to do from the bottom. So get that far. I did pull our, I guess I don't know the technical term for them, but the window guides, I guess is what you'd call them, because I am going to be putting new ones of those on. So those rest in that general area. And then there is an plate here that has to come off. That resides right in this area. You have to pull that in order to get clearance. That's what this notch is for, to actually get the one bolt out. Same thing with back here. There's not a plate there though. So we get that far, and then we can pull this door seal off, which I need to pull this top trim off anyways to continue our restoration. So being that I am a Aspen and Volare enthusiast, or hoarder, whatever you want to call it, we do have our new cat skins, which do come with, there's 2 sets here, mind you. So in the normal set you would get 2 of these and 2 of these, which is all you need. I ordered multiple sets because I plan on doing, well, multiple cars. So it does come with the actual door panel seal, which takes, they have little staples you're gonna have to pull. And then it does come with the staples and screws to actually reinstall. So I won't be probably using these on this video, because normally when I have good door panels, they have good door seals. So these will be attributed to other cars as we progress. So what I wanted to do was a side-by-side comparison, showing you guys the difference between the, I have NOS door seals still in mopar packaging. So part number 3831284. So doing a side-by-side comparison, we do see that the new ones do have probably about another 1/4 inch of rubber on them, but lengths are dead on match, cutouts are pretty much a dead on match. Doing a general inspection, but as you can see, the rubber is just significantly bigger. So whether or not that's going to be a detriment in the future, I'm not sure, being as we haven't installed them yet. But as far as the actual door seal itself that resides on the door, same thing, rubber's just about a 1/4 inch bigger, but everything matches up lengthwise, and it looks pretty good. Looks like they made a pretty good product so far. So let's get the old ones out and see how it looks. All right, now these are just held on with your standard Phillips screws. All right. It is, oh, there is one actually hiding behind that door seal. I did not see that one. That one will be fun to get out. Actually, let's remove this and be somewhat gentle with it. This, the actual door seal here, for the bottom, we actually got upcoming on a future video, as Steel Rubber manufactures those. You can see this one's, it's shot. So we contacted our friends at Steel. We got a new one of those. We'll see how their product fits as well. All right, this one, there is an attributing difference. It's got some rubber bumpers right there, which you guys can see that the new ones do not have. This thing is very, very hard. Oh, that's gonna take one more bolt. We can get that out of the way. Be right back. All right. You do not have to do that process, but we are sending the car off to be sandblasted, so that process did need to be done. So, now there is a slight difference right there at the very back. If you put them side by side, you notice the holes are a little bit more forward, and they do curve up at the rear. So, right there you can see it curves up, and you can see it curves there. So they are directional side to side. I was concerned about that because I did not see a immediate, but it does look like they did do a fairly decent job of doing these, because I see all factory bolt holes lining right up, which I like. That's hard in the aftermarket world to find an actual good product, and especially in such a car as ours, where nobody really makes anything. But I suppose the name of their business is Cat Whiskers, so they probably ought to make a pretty good product. All right, as far as final fit and finish, it's a pretty good product for what we're seeing. This little whoop-de-doo at the end, I'm sure will straighten out with the weather, where they bent it up there. Right now it's about 20 degrees, so it's not the warmest. This whole area would be covered if we had a good, actual good door seal. So, yeah, overall, fit and finishes quite well. I'm happy with it, so. All right, guys, that was a Dodge Aspen Plymouth Volare cat whisker install. Brand again was Top Whiskers, good product, and I will be using them again in the future. So, as always, this is Dutch Guy's Garage. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. And always remember, they don't move until you do.